Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to stop the spinning beach ball on your Mac. This usually happens when an app you're using freezes. If you're not sure which app is causing the problem, just press Option-Command-Escape. This opens the Force Quit Applications window. Here you'll see a list of all open apps. Look for the one that says Not Responding. Select it, then click Force Quit. Now, if you already know which app is frozen, you can simply right-click its icon in the dock. Normally, when you right-click an app, you'll only see the Quit option. To see Force Quit, you usually need to hold down the Option key. But here's a cool detail. If the app is already not responding, just right-click it, and Force Quit will appear right away. No Option key needed. It's one of those small macOS design touches you really appreciate over time. Finally, click Force Quit, reopen the app, and continue using it as normal. If you're new to macOS, make sure to check out my beginner Mac tutorials linked in the description below. See you in the next video.